try a very quick one here, which I found just by accident. If you are teaching somebody whose first language is not English in your class at whatever level, I'm just using a higher Nat 5 example here. If you go to slideshow at the top, and then you can actually add subtitles. So you can have them below the slide, you can have above, top or bottom, overlaid. I tend to do below the slide because it looks a bit better. You can choose your spoken language, everything from Catalan to they've got most of the languages we do. We've got Polish, we have Romanian, we have got Bulgarian there as well. In order to just demonstrate it, though, I'm going to guess that most of you speak some French, which is about the only one I would actually recognise, so I'm going to choose French, and I'm going to select Always Use Subtitles, and then I'm going to start my presentation, and voila! Good morning, class. Today we will be talking about critical essay skills. In order to do well, you need to show understanding, analysis, evaluation, and express your ideas. And that should be enough just to show you the idea. I will just very quickly choose a different language. Let's go for Chinese traditional for no other reason that I'd be curious to know what it looks like. And we will carry on with our presentation. Essential skills. Show knowledge and understanding of the chosen text. That's so cool, by the way. I do not know what it says, but it's brilliant. Okay, anyway, that's enough. You get the idea. Just make sure you've got always use subtitles, and it will add them to them. This also works if you record the slideshow. Whether you can be bothered recording it for several different people in your class, who knows? But it's hopefully going to help you. Okay, enjoy.